Part 2 Monkey Mayhem!
Mama's kind of.
Yeah!
My mother's certain.
My mother's kind of. And guys, like and sub, or I will do something that you're not gonna like. I'm going to do something that you won't like if you don't like and sub. You're gonna get the You're gonna get the. You're gonna be my little pet, and you're gonna see.
Beating the record. I just recorded a little short because everyone thinks
Bro! Oh my god, that got Jesus! What? Everybody! Wait, bro, pull the dragons, man. Happy Monkey Mayhem! Nope. Monkey Mayhem! Bro, look how many people are.
Oh my! Okay, I need to show these guys the counter. We're at 63,000.
No, he's allergic.
Wait, who wants to wait for 67,000 with me?
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Everyone line up, but you'll watch it. Monkey,
Bro, I'm so happy I can burst in the flames.
No, we need to go and find a YouTuber that is having a finger painter.
Bro, I'm so happy I can burst in the flames. A little bit too early.
Yo, we're already at 65,000.
Damn, bro, I went away for 5 seconds.
Let me go check if my favorite content creators are there.
Didn't we have to scream 6-7? Why is it not going up? Why is it not going up?
It's the lag from all the people at once.
But what if we miss it?
Oh, but
Is it Carter? Mango. Well, I thought you were Carter VR. I know, Mo.
what does this do?
Oh, that's for streaming camera. Bro, no, we're gonna miss 67,000. Don't worry.
What, that's me?
It is 6,000, my God.
We're at 66.
Six, seven.
6-7!
Oh, guys, rate my outfit. Rate my outfit. Oh, I can barely even handle this.
Rate my outfit.
It's so slow. Rate mine.
You look like the world. I'm replying you, good fuck, man. Oh, no.
My VR can barely even handle this.
Oh, what's wrong? Bro, I feel no lag.
No.
No, guys, Gorilla Tag's live.
Yeah, I know. I'm actually
Live time. Wait, I'm gonna put it on my PC.
Man.
Oh my God. I'm gonna watch a live stream on my PC while sitting down at my chair. We have to get it. Bro, we're so close. We're so close.
Yo, guys, and there should be in this event called Monkey Mayhem Find the Content Creators.
Wait, is this selfie?
That's on mine. No, it's pointing there.
It's not timing.
And you see my other touch.
Hey, bro, to be honest, I
What are you doing?
I forgot how to do that, man.
You guys.
Guys, this is gonna be crazy.
No, it's right.
Wait, what? Guys, I'll tell you anything what happens on the Gorilla Tag live stream if you want.
Guys, it's going down. Going down. Going down. Going down.
It's glitched.
It's going up. What are you talking about?
It's going down. For me, it's 66,184.
Okay, I don't know if y'all can see this.
It went
up. It's going down.
Going
It
up.
went up.
It's going up slowly but surely for me.
Why is it back at 65?
Mayhem is on a pause.
It's so close.
Boom.
Also,
Maybe not yet.
Anyone here that you guys know?
Guys,
Anyone
it's
here?
going up.
Doing up.
Right,
that map's not gonna go up, guys.
Monkey Mayhem! Monkey Mayhem is poised.
The Old Spice is online.
That's what I just said.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
Yes,
more
Monkey
people.
Mayhem is
Guys,
paused.
the Old Spice is online. The Old Spice is online.
I said that already, you freaking damn swap.
Guys, I'm recording on the one. Guys, I'm creating the loading screen now.
The Old Spice.